Hi, I just want to run through a nice, simple, quite brief, unwinding first aid relaxation exercise that you can find very useful at work or when you're out and about. It's quite good for prevention, and it's also quite good for first aid if you find yourself getting a bit hot and bothered. The first thing to do, if you want to wind down a little bit, is just stand up nice and upright, but not stiff, nice and comfortable, and feel your feet against the floor. Feel yourself nice and solidly against the floor. And then as you breathe out, the next time you breathe out, just allow your eyes to close. Next time you breathe out, just allow your eyes to close and allow yourself full permission just to focus on what it feels like, to take a moment to take a pause and wind down. So become conscious, if you will, to begin with what's going through your mind. Just notice it, just observe it. Don't try and control it or judge it, just observe. And in particular, lean towards the more difficult, the more unpleasant, any kind of sense of discomfort. Lean towards them and explore them. Don't get too involved. Don't push them away or control them. And now, if you will, just do the same with your body. Scan your body, go through, noticing any tension you might find along the way. Just becoming very aware of how your body feels right now. And next, let's focus on a nice, simple, single thing. Let's focus on breathing, on the movement of the breath. Focus on what it feels like to breathe out. What happens when you do. Every time you breathe out, allowing yourself to sink into a more comfortable state. Allowing yourself to sink into a nice, soothing rhythm of breathing. And now perhaps expand this focus just from your breathing to your whole body. Become aware every time you breathe out of your whole body, from the tips of your toes and your feet pressing on the ground, up through your body, looking at any tension you might find along the way. Becoming aware of, not trying to control, what it feels like to stand there. And perhaps with every breath, sink down to a more soothing rhythm of breathing. Allowing yourself to do nothing more than just focus on what it feels like to breathe out. Settle into a soothing rhythm of breathing. Every time you breathe out, sink down into a more comfortable state. Okay, so next time you breathe out, if you're ready, just allow your eyes to open. Allow yourself a little bit of time to adjust to the light in the room. Pause for a moment. Focus on your breathing. And just allow yourself quite quietly just to carry on with the rest of the day.